Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to drill a kitchen tap hole in this composite sink that I've just installed. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to measure it from the front to the back, which as you can see is 70mm or 7 centimetres. I've gone to the centre of that, which is 3.5 centimetres. And then from the left, I've gone 5 centimetres. And the reason I've done this is if you look underneath, you can see there is this bracing point that you need to try and miss. So that measurement is about 50mm off and 350 or 3.5 centimetres from front to back. So that's why I've measured it there and marked it. Next, what I'm going to do is grab the fixing of the kitchen tap and I'm going to measure the size of that, which is about 35mm. And as you can see from the 10 across, it's about 35mm. So you ideally need about a 35mm hole saw to drill this out. So what I grab next is my hole saw kit, and I see one by one which one fits best. So as you can see, this one goes straight through the middle, which you don't want, and this one is very tight. So this is a 32mm. So I actually go up one size to this 38mm hole saw, which I think will be perfect for this. It's not too tight, but it's not too big, so the shroud of the tap will cover this hole. So as you can see, it's just a 38mm bimetal Bosch bit, which is perfect for this. So once you've picked your hole saw that you need, the next step is starting the process of cutting the hole. So first of all, what you want to do is get yourself a combi drill, and in here is a 3mm metal bit. And what you're going to do is put this dead in the centre and slowly work this through. This is with even pressure. Do not push hard because the drill bit will just snap and then the drill will go straight into the sink and you will damage it. So this is only on composite sinks. Do not do this on porcelain or china sinks. So with that hole drilled all the way through, give it a clean and then check underneath. So underneath you should be able to see daylight all the way through, just like this. And you'll be able to see that it's spot on where I want it, and I'm not going to have any problems getting the fixing of the tap. So with that, and you're happy about that, the next step is to put your pilot bit on for your hole saw. So this is just a pilot bit without the hole saw, and you want to go slowly once again through this. I actually start this in reverse and then I'll go forward because it might chip big chunks off of the composite of the sink, so it's always best to get started in reverse before going in a forward motion, and once again nice and slowly with an even pressure, and then just clean that up afterwards, ready for the next step, which is actually cutting the hole saw through. So all you want to do is attach your bit to your drill, and once again you want to start this in reverse. Make sure this is in reverse to get this started. Light to even pressure and slowly in reverse. You want to start making grooves in the sink, or then switching to forward motion and carrying on through the sink. So now I'm just putting it in forward motion and it'll go straight through like so. This is just to stop it jumping and bouncing around and scuffing up around the sink. And as you can see, that's gone straight through there, no problem. Give it a nice clean up with a wipe, and as you can see, that's a nice clean hole ready to fit your kitchen sink tap. If this video has helped, please do give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I hope this helps.